Chairman Dr. Lucio Tan, who will be drawing the names tonight. Chairman Dr. Lucio Tan, please make honors and pick the lucky winners.
Wow, ang ganda, may pa-draw.
Okay, we will have 5 lucky winners tonight, which will receive a 2,000 peso voucher for a single receipt food and beverage purchase here at Century Park Hotel. And now, the first winner of 2,000 peso voucher is again, our first winner of 2,000 peso voucher is all right, Mr. Justin Arcillas. Justin Arcillas. Number 1715. Where are those? Nandito ka ba? Alright, for our second winner, let's proceed to our second winner of 2,000 peso voucher. Who is the lucky winner of our food and beverage voucher? Okay, for our second winner is Sampagina Kirada. Congratulations, number 662. And for our third winner of food and beverage voucher is
Evelyn Young.
congratulations, Mr. Jose Baluyo, number 1459. And for our next winner,
Natala na pala yung mga names.
and for our fourth winner, please do the honors, ma'am. And the lucky winner of food and beverage voucher is, for our fourth winner,
Gladys Dueñas. Uy.
yeah, medyo hindi na nababasa kanyang mentorship. Primera Yuto, if I'm not mistaken, sorry, number 3700. Okay, congratulations. And for our fifth winner, and finally, 2,000 peso voucher, food and beverage voucher from Century Park Hotel. Congratulations. Number 1740, si Sir Arnold. Okay, congratulations to our first set of winners. And to all our winners, kindly proceed to the hotel staff for instructions on how to claim your prize. And to everyone na hindi pa po nananalo, huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa because we still have more exciting prizes to give away. For our next prizes, we still have prizes pa po, no? So we have 3 lucky winners of an amazing 3 days, 2 nights stay at our deluxe room with breakfast for 2. So let's see who are the lucky winners. Again, Sherman, please do the honors to pick our lucky winners, ma'am. And for our first winner of the 3 days, 2 nights deluxe room stay is, congratulations, stop number 1310, Kevin Delgado. Alright, for our next winner of Nurse Ma'am. Our second winner. Alright, with stop number 3226, congratulations to Cynthia Toleran. And the third and final winner of 3 days, 2 nights stay is congratulations to number 3814, Miss Joyce Albo. Okay, congratulations to our winners. And let's give them a round of applause. Ayan. So, grabe tayo nililingkot. Of course, gusto rin natin manalo yan. And for our lucky winners, again, kindly proceed to hotel staff for instructions on how to claim your prize. And once again, and big thanks, or big thank you to everyone for joining us tonight. And now, before we officially begin with our Christmas tree lighting, meron pa po kami mga surprises para sa lahat po ng guests natin tonight dito sa Century Park Hotel. Pero mamaya, makikita nyo na yan. But before that, mag-interview muna tayo ng mga ilang mga friends natin dito. Ayan, how are you guys? Kumusta ang stay nyo? Kumusta ang food? Hello, sir, your name is?
Roger na.
Si Sir Roger Tang. Taga saan si Sir Roger Tang?
Caloocan.
Caloocan. Kumusta, sir? Nag-stay ka na ba dito? Kumusta ang food? Kumusta ang hotel?
Magkaya magkakaroon pagkain, magiging kwarto.
Very meaningful. Grabe, napaka-insightful ng mga share nila. Of course, dito sa harap natin, ayan, sa harap ko, na talaga nga naman parang gusto niya rin interviewin siya. Hello. And good evening, Mr. James Caraan from Culpas. Kumusta? Good evening sa'yo.
Hello, napakasaya po dito ngayon sa Century Park Hotel dahil very festive ang kahit saan ka tumingin, very Christmas na yung makikita nyo dito. Kaya excited na kami mabuksan ang ilaw ng ating pinakamalaking Christmas tree today. Ano?
Nananalig ka eh. Thank you so much for that information. And of course, ayun yung friends natin from Culpas.
Yung kalbo niya
Sa'yo,
naman.
ano? So how are you? Kumusta naman ang stay mo dito sa Century Park Hotel?
Napakasaya.
Ang cute naman ang
welcome
camera
ng
niyo.
mga staff dito. Pagpasok ko pa lang ng hotel, nagkaganyan na sila sa puso. So,
What's the meaning of that? Sorry.
parang welcome na welcome. Sobrang, sobrang thankful sila na makasita sila dito. So, lagi kami pabalik-balik dito. And dun syempre, dun sa cellar.
O syempre, promote nyo na rin yung mga upcoming shows. Ayan, mga gigs ng The Cool Pals. So, ipalapakan naman tayo from mula dito sa area na to. Ang Cool Pals ay nandito, of course, to witness and makisaya rin para sa ating Christmas tree lighting 2025 ng Century Park Hotel.
Yeah, thank you. Maraming salamat. At excited na kami mabuksan ang pinakamalaking Christmas tree. Gigs namin, every Sunday, recording, and check in. And every Friday, may open mic kami para doon sa mga aspiring comedians. Diyan sa may cellar, pasok ka dyan sa may gitna ng escalator, tapos kanan kayo, yun na.
Ayan, thank you so much for that information. Again, takilikin po natin ang mga shows, gigs ng The Cool Pals. Thank you so much. And dito po sa site na to, while we're waiting para sa mga surprises po natin for tonight. Hello sa mga media friends natin. Ayan, hello from Chinoy TV. Good evening everyone. Napakadaming tao ngayon. Ayan, so may mga ilang familiar faces tayo na nakita around the area. Good evening po and thank you for coming us and joining us tonight rather. Ayan, ikot pa tayo. Of course, na-try na ba ng ilang mga friends natin ang ating BB bongbong, tsokolate, at salabal. Ayan, talaga nga naman, isa rin ito sa mga favorite ko every time na nagpupunta ako, nag-stay ako dito sa Century Park Hotel. Ayan, hello sa mga media friends natin. Good evening po. Ayan, hello po sa inyo. Hi, you are from?
Daily preview.
Daily Tribune. Thank you. And welcome po dito sa Century Park Hotel. So, kamusta po ang experience?
Ito, looking forward na maging maliwanag niya yung Christmas tree.
Looking forward po. Again, your name, sir, is?
Pray ko dapat.
Sir Ray, thank you so much. And ayan, isa-isayin pa natin yung mga friends natin here from media. Sir, your name is?
Justin.
Sir Justin, we're familiar yung face ko. I just don't know kung saan tayo nagkita, saan tayo nagkasalubong, nagkabangga. Oo. Sir Justin, kamusta po ang experience?
Waiting for
Ay, thank you so much. Ayan, si Ma'am. Ay, syempre, hindi ka makakaligtas, Ma'am. Oo. Good evening. And your name po is?
Abby Robles for Malaya Business Days.
Miss Abby Robles. Kamusta po ang experience? Have you tried po yung